Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and today I have this massive white pine behind me going up, and I have some issues with it. It's 16 feet 8 inches, and as you can see, I have a post down there, and I have a post right over here, and there's 16 feet between them. But my tractor can't lift this white pine. This white pine weighs about 3,000 pounds. And I could lift it up about 3 inches. That's it. So I'm using the power buckle system. I have my winch right over here. You can see the winch. And I'm going to power buckle it up on an angle as I have it already going. Then I'm going to push. Let's see if you see this end with the tractor that way, so this side can clear right through here. So I'm going to put you down and let's see what happens. That's a beautiful system. Oop. We're on, guys. I don't know, guys, if this shows actually how big this is, so let's get some numbers on it. $27 on the big end. $25.5 on the little end. $16 feet 8 inches. So this was, I cut nearly 2 feet off. I cut it almost 18 foot. This is that white pine you saw me cut down and retrieve the other day. It's ready to go. I'm ready to start slabbing it. It probably is another, that could come up a half inch on that side, but I'm making 2x8s, 1.5 by 7.5, 16 foot 2x8s I need, I think 16 of them. And this would be really, really close. My goal is to get a 15-inch cant. If I can get a 15-inch cant, I can get them all with no problem. I think I can get 18 with a 15-inch cant. So I'm going to go in for lunch. Cool down, it's getting warm out here. And then we'll come back and get this started. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. How old do you suspect that is? I'm going to definitely have to count after lunch and I'll let you know. White pines grow fast. It's going to be interesting to see if we can clear everything. All right, guys, stick around. Okay guys, lunch was good. We're gonna mill this thing. We're gonna have to take the slabs off with the forks and we're gonna have to turn it with the tractor. Hold on. What a great place to run out of water. Or what a great place to run out of gas. I don't know if you can see me, I got this way up high. I got a brand new Ripper 37. I've never used these. Only way you can flip this thing. So I had to lower those stops because it was pushing this log too far this way. So I'm going to lower, I just lowered them, so now I'm going to push the log that way just a bit to clear everything. Also, you got to make sure these pieces of bark aren't in the tracks. That will cause you some problems. You either one, knock your carriage off, or two, you'll bump it up in the air. All right, that should work. I need 2x8s or 1.5 by 7.5. So my next cut will be 7.5. That's all you can cut on the Frontier OS27. So we'll go down 7.5. Then I'll come back the other direction and we'll box around that circle. So I'm guessing we'll just be right at the bottom. We'll be right at the bottom of 7.5 will be right at the center. Why'd you guys say something? LOL. I just said LOL. Oh my God. I'm thinking, guys, I can't tell what I hit, but it was hitting for a long time. I think it was hitting the bearing. It never. Oh, it took a lot of teeth out. Let's see what it looks like. All right, send her down to the other end. How unfortunate. That's a brand new blade that I just messed up. Never even sharpened that one. Brand new from Jerry's Ripper 37. Guess I'll go get another new blade. Okay guys, that's gonna do it. That took a long time, a lot of mistakes today. I've been at the sawmill for a long time today. You hit the log stop, just put that brand new blade in, and Jerry's Ripper 37 was cutting right along. But, so we got 22 2x8s. Four of them have a lot of waning on them, so really, let's say 22 minus 4. We have 18 really good 2x8s, and I needed 9, 17, 16 total. So I did it. I got everything I needed out of that tree.